Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can wipe data from your device VIVO V25 Pro. So if you want to enable factory data reset or wipe data from your device, you can do it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable factory data reset or wipe your data.